Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review for the D-Link EBR-2310. This is an amazing Ethernet broadband router. It's a basic networking capabilities with create a wired network in your home using the D-Link Ethernet broadband router. Connect this wired router to a broadband modem and share your high-speed internet access, check email, and share files, or simply enjoy online gaming. The wired router provides 4 10 by 100 Ethernet ports to connect up to 4 Ethernet-enabled PC or network devices. Switching capabilities have been integrated into this device effectively to manage your network traffic. This wired router includes a built-in firewall for safeguarding your network from hackers and malicious attacks. Parental control features also included to monitor internet usage and block inappropriate content. And it's easy to install and use. The quick router setup wizard is provided to help you set up your network in minutes. Built-in cable tester utility is also included to help you diagnose and troubleshoot physical cable problems for creating a simple wired network for your home. The easy-to-use D-Link Ethernet broadband router, EBR-2310, gets the job done. That's what this thing does. It's a pretty cool router. I like it a lot. I've had it for many years. And that's basically it. I know I didn't say it in the beginning, but Amazon link is below to get this thing. Very affordable router. You can get them used for I think even less than $10. So if you need yourself some internet access without having to pay rental to AT&T or Comcast or whatever you guys use for internet providers, it's a pretty good router. So that's pretty much it. Chmelaeon.com is out on that note. Amazon link below to buy. We also suggest D-Link's full line of products. They even have better router solutions than this. And be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com because we have a ton of different Wi-Fi routers direct to your door from China. And that is basically it. Check it out. Get one today.